What's up, Mavericks? Is the way you manage business expenses still stuck in the 20th century? Are you juggling stacks of receipts, scratching your head over random reimbursements, or getting hit with surprise charges? Managing your business expenses doesn't have to be so messy. Imagine a card that doesn't just help you spend, but actually helps you take control of your spending. I'm talking about optimizing it, tracking it, and even automating it. Allow me to introduce you to Ramp. Ramp isn't your average business credit card. It's a full-blown financial command center. Keep watching, because in this video, I'm breaking down what Ramp is, how it works, and why it might be the most powerful corporate card your business ever uses. Ramp is a spend management platform, and at the heart of it is the Ramp business card. It looks like a credit card and works like a charge card, but behind the scenes, it's running a much smarter system. Ramp stands out because it isn't just helping you spend, it's helping you spend better. It's a charge card, which means you pay the balance in full each month. That also means there's no interest, ever, and there's no personal credit check, no annual fees, and no surprise fees. Ramp provides high credit limits and tools that help your team stay on budget without the micromanagement. So let's talk about what the Ramp card actually gives you, because let's face it, most business cards are just a way to swipe and forget. Ramp flips that on its head. With Ramp, you'll get unlimited cash back on every purchase, unlimited virtual and physical cards for your team, high credit limits, custom spend limits by employee, department, or even vendor, real-time expense tracking, auto receipt matching, and built-in category tagging and expense policy enforcement. Basically, it's spend control without the busy work. Your team stays productive and you stay in the loop without stacks of paperwork or bouncing between apps. Ramp isn't just a card, it's a full stack of financial tools. So here's what else you can do inside Ramp without switching tools. For paying bills, Ramp gives you full AP automation to scan invoices, route approvals, and schedule payments. If you need expense reimbursement, just submit and approve directly in Ramp, no third-party integrations required. If you want to keep your books in order, Ramp syncs with software you're already using, like QuickBooks Zero and NetSuite. If you want to cut your spending, Ramp's AI flags duplicate spend, finds missed savings, and can even negotiate vendor pricing on your behalf. Even better, Ramp's AI agents automatically review all transactions and expenses and catch 15 times more out-of-policy spend than non-AI alternatives and enforce policy with 99% accuracy. If you or your employees travel for business, use Ramp Travel to book and reconcile business travel. It's all tied to your Ramp cards. Ramp Procurement helps you manage every vendor request, contract, and purchase order in one place. It's like having an entire purchasing department without actually hiring one. It's all built in, one login, one platform. So let's talk about who should use Ramp. If you're a startup, a growing team, or a finance lead who wants visibility without hiring a full department, Ramp makes that easy. If you're tired of using a ton of different tools for card management, expense tracking, and reimbursements, Ramp consolidates it all. It's built for companies that are scaling fast, want cleaner books, and need real-time financial data they can use to make the most important business decisions. Now let's talk pricing, because this is where Ramp really flips the script. Ramp's core platform is completely free, no user fees, no setup fees, no annual fees. If you need more advanced features, Ramp Plus is just $15 per month per user. That unlocks advanced approval workflows, procurement tools, and more control for bigger finance teams. If you're an enterprise user, Ramp's got you too, offering full customized solutions and deeper integrations, local card issuing for global teams, SLAs, and other advanced features. One of the best parts about Ramp is that you can start for free and only upgrade when you need to. So here's the deal. Ramp isn't just a business card, it's a modern financial tool that puts you in control of every dollar leaving your business. Whether you're spending, saving, reimbursing, or reporting, Ramp automates it and helps you make smarter decisions in real time. If you're ready to get started, just click the link in the description to see how Ramp could be the solution you've been looking for. You've got nothing to lose and a whole lot of visibility to gain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.